I think this is something that people should have taken note of for years and years. Birds really are one of the most important things about badminton. They were living birds at one time. Every bird has 16 feathers from one side of the wing. So these are all left-handed feathers right here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And so when these are in play, they are alive, they spin, they fly. I mean, that gives them another chance to live. But sometimes they get broken. And they get smashed. The cork flies away.
Stepped on.
And you know they have to be retired for good.
Wait. No, we have Josie on there.
Hello, my name's Tara. I'm the official bird kill collector. So I'm here to collect some dead birds here and hoping to bury them and put them to rest. It's also part of an experimental.
Bury it afterwards? Go to cemetery?
Yeah, I would like to do that. So when all these birds, they look all dead, so
no, we use them.
You can use them?
Yeah, we'll use all of them.
Okay, well can I bury them for now and put them to rest?
Put them to rest?
Yeah.
What is he doing?
I have no idea.
One day, I think they can.
Yeah. I think we can play today.
They said they try to like move all the game to. Okay.
Good.
Sorry.
You're asking me to be creative now, aren't you? I'm not a creative. My experience. All right. Good idea.
But like, you know, back in Ireland they have a saying, you know, if you shiver, somebody's just walked over your grave. So there's a lot of, I was shivering a lot today.
Oh man.
Get around Carborough, Chapel Hill, there'll be people that would probably protest that we were using goose feathers. You know what's funny is I work in the automotive industry, and there's all these people, and okay, they're very green, they're trying to help the environment, and they're all driving Priuses. What they don't realize is that a Prius has a bigger environmental footprint than a Suburban. Because it's all because of the battery disposal. So, you know, if you really want to do the best for the environment, drive a turbo diesel. They are the best for the environment.
It's good to know.
That's not what the marketing people will tell you. They'll charge you an extra $8 grand for a Prius.